Welcome back to our channel. Tired of juggling your vacuum and mop? Meet the Roborock F25 ALT, a 2-in-1 powerhouse designed to make your floor cleaning routine smarter, faster, and totally effortless. This vacuum mop wet-dry vacuum cleaner, cordless hard floor cleaner machine with AI assistant wheels, 180 degrees lie flat, 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot air flash drying and hot water self-cleaning electric mop. In today's video, we're diving into standout features that make this wet-dry vacuum a serious game-changer for any home. Dual cleaning system. The Roborock Vacuum Mop is a true 2-in-1 wet and dry cleaner. It vacuums and mops in one pass, perfect for cleaning up both dry debris and wet messes. No need to pull out separate tools. It saves time, effort, and keeps your floor spotless. Intelligent self-cleaning. Cleaning the cleaner? No thanks. The Roborock F25 ALT features a self-cleaning brush roller that scrubs itself after each use, so you never have to touch the grime. A cleaner mop means cleaner floors every time. Smart dirt detection. Thanks to its intelligent dirt detection, this vacuum automatically adjusts its suction power based on the mess. Heavier mess? More power. Light cleaning? It conserves battery. It's smart, efficient, and tailored to the job at hand. LED display and voice prompts. Stay in control with the clear LED digital display and helpful voice prompts. You'll always know when it's time to refill water, empty the tank, or recharge. No guessing, no surprises, just smooth operation. Dual tank water system. The Roborock Vacuum Mop, a dual tank system to keep clean and dirty water separate. Your floors are always being cleaned with fresh water, not recycled dirt. Hygienic, smart, and effective. Roborock Vacuum Mop is designed for edge-to-edge cleaning, getting close to walls and baseboards to ensure no mess gets left behind. Cordless lightweight design. No cords. No limits. Weighing under 9 pounds, Roborock Vacuum Mop is lightweight and cordless, making it incredibly easy to maneuver whether you're cleaning the living room, kitchen, or stairs. The Roborock F25 ALT isn't just another vacuum mop, it's a smart, high-performance cleaning solution built for real life. Whether you've got pets, kids, or just want your home to sparkle with less effort, this machine delivers. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, the Roborock F25 ALT could be your new best friend. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.